Welcome to Luxart. Yesterday I spent all night editing another client's video, and that made me realize that I spent so much time editing for other people and shooting content for others. So I decided to take on a challenge and actually get in front of the camera and start talking, get more comfortable with it. So here I am. So I want to show you guys what my weekend looks like creating content, and I want to see if I can finish this video today. So yeah, let's get this day started. So today is a chill day. I decided to use the DJI Pocket 3 to just take some vlogs of what a day creating content looks like. So since I'm always busy shooting and editing content, I don't really have a lot of chances to take my motorcycle out, especially on a good day like this. I just checked the weather app and 74 degrees outside, not bad weather to ride. And I want to go grab some coffee, so why not take my bike out, go grab some coffee, let's shoot some rollers. So this is for reference. This is my main Sony camera, and I'm not going to be carrying this around trying to vlog like this all the time, so that's why I really love this camera. A lot of people tell me that they want to start shooting content, but they don't know where to start, like what kind of gear to use, what settings to use, or whatnot, and I always tell them, whatever's in your pocket, whatever that motivates you to start. And for me, it was always my phone or something easy to use. So if I'm not shooting anything professional, I always love grabbing this camera. If a couple $100s is the investment that you need in order to get started, I think this is a great one to start with. Hey, let's go grab coffee. I want you to help me shoot rollers of the R6.
Oh, so you ride it? I have to drive?
Yeah, I'm gonna drive separately. Alright, so this is how Vanessa's going to be shooting the rollers, like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she's going to be using the iPad to control the camera from the car. So I have this cool little mount that lets me attach my mic here. And this is not going to fall off. My clean air vehicle. Oh, filming the, here, get the, this bike looks so good every time I take it out. Such an aggressive looking bike. I know that Look at this police Cybertruck that parked here. I just found this new coffee shop. It's called Blue Hummingbird Coffee, and I've been going here a lot. I want to buy another motorcycle.
I'm not going to let you buy another motorcycle.
Why not? It's my money.
I don't care.
Give me the camera. I will talk to it. When it's nice out, you know, you shouldn't miss the opportunity to go outside and enjoy the weather.
It's hummingbird.
Hummingbird's a bird, like a blue bird.
Serious?
It's actually a sort. That's the hummingbird right there. It's on the cup. A hummingbird is blue, I think. I think all hummingbirds are blue. I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty behind on my editing. I have a lot of videos to get out, but I'm making this an excuse so I can go out and ride my bike. Also, it's 75 out right now. I probably shouldn't be wearing a leather jacket. It's kind of hot. I think that was my mistake. I'll be heading home right after I finish this. The goal of this video is to finish filming and finish editing all today and get it posted for you guys soon without thinking too much about all the little details and just posting it. No reshooting, just posting what my day-to-day looks like. How's your coffee?
I finished. That means it's good. It's time to get another one.
You want another one? Since I'm in kind of a nice location, I decided to take some shots of the bike here, as you can see. So I'm gonna edit all these clips and put them together and show you guys what it looks like.
The Yamaha YZF R6, an iconic track-focused 599 cubic centimeter supersport motorcycle, renowned for its aggressive design, razor-sharp handling, and a screaming, high-revving engine. Widely regarded as one of the most successful and performance-driven middleweight motorcycles ever built.
Hey guys, it's Editor June here. I just uploaded everything to the computer and I'm trying to get this video finished today, and I'm reviewing all the clips. So I just did some research and I realized that not all hummingbirds are blue. So there you go. I guess I was wrong. If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching.